Remote work can completely exclude employees with disabilities if you're not doing these essential things right. Most companies think they're being inclusive by going remote, but they're actually creating invisible barriers everywhere. Your video calls, documents, and communication tools could be shutting out talented team members without you even realizing it. Here's what actually makes remote work accessible. First, your video meetings need live captions and keyboard navigation. Not everyone can use a mouse or hear clearly. When someone shares their screen, they need to describe what's happening out loud instead of just saying, "as you can see here." Your documents are probably accessibility nightmares. Use proper headings, not just bold text. Add descriptions to every image and chart. That colorful presentation with light gray text on white background? Completely unreadable for people with vision differences. Communication gets tricky too. Send follow-up emails after important calls. Use plain language instead of corporate jargon. Give people time to process and respond instead of expecting instant replies. The biggest game changer is supporting assistive technology. Screen readers, speech-to-text software, special keyboards. These tools need to work seamlessly with your company's systems. Test everything before rolling it out. But here's the thing that blew my mind. When you make remote work truly accessible, it becomes better for everyone. Those captions help people in noisy environments. Clear document structure makes information easier to find. Simple language reduces confusion across the board. Companies that get this right don't just avoid lawsuits. They tap into incredible talent pools and create stronger teams. The future of work isn't just remote, it's inclusively remote.